Here is how to download from Google Drive app. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download anything from Google Drive app. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Drive app and log into your account. As you log into your account, you will enter the home screen. Then after, locate the file or folder that you want to download. In case of a file, tap on the three dots on the right side of it. Then after, you will get the download option. Tap on download and your download will start. In case you have a folder and you want to download only selected items from that folder, simply open that folder. Now select the specific files that you want to download. As you have selected all the files, tap on the three dots on the top right side and then you will find the download option. Tap on download and it will start downloading the selected files. So in this way you can easily download from Google Drive app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.